today we are cosplaying Kaveh from Genshin Impact. I already put on my foundation. We're gonna continue now with the contour. Go ahead and sharpen these edges. I usually keep the contour style pretty similar in most of my cosplays because it's what suits me the most. But for Kaveh, I'm gonna do more of a slim nose. Always here on the bottom lip as well. With this brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend it. Now for the powder, I'm going to go ahead and set everything so I don't look as shiny anymore. I felt like I needed a little bit more contour, so I went back in there with it. I usually do this after I put powder just because it does cover my work a little bit. I really want to accentuate my jawline, especially with the haircut that Kaveh has. With that lighter color highlighter from the contour, I want to put that on my nose. Now we're going to start with a pink color. I usually don't go for this touch. I felt like it suited Kaveh a lot. I did add a lot of sparkle, a lot of glitter. I put some highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. I played around with the pink eyeshadow to give myself more dimension and more color. I'm doing something a little bit different. I am putting a deeper red. This brown red is going to be my eyeliner at first. I forgot to apply concealer under my eyes, and this is me realizing that I really needed it. With this wine red color, I'm gonna go ahead and create the liner for my look. I am gonna go over it with actual black eyeliner, but I want to create a bigger eye makeup look. Kaveh is very much in touch with his femininity, so I wanted to demonstrate that through this makeup style. The eyeliner. The struggle is real without a proper mirror, but I did it. You just have to follow the line that I initially created. Then I softened the look with a little bit of more eyeshadow. Did forget to build up more eyeshadow in the corner of my eyes, so I went over it, which is fine. I actually didn't want the eyeliner to look that deep or that dark black, but I don't have a brown eyeliner at this moment, so I'm working with what I got. Felt like I needed more sparkle, so I went and put a highlighter in the inner corners again, and then on the nose to finish that look. The upper lip as well. Now I want my eyelashes to stand out for this look, so I did go ahead and curl them and then applied mascara on the top and the lower eyelashes as well. For the lips, I do put a little bit of foundation mixed with lipstick. Then with the eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and tint it to more orangey tint. I do want to extend my lips, make them look more elongated, so I'm trying this look for him. I did the line first to guide myself, and then with a darker color I'm gonna go in through the inner sides. You'll see in a bit. With this darker color, I want to apply this on the corners as well as the inner side of my lips. I enjoy changing the shapes of my lips every now and then, and I feel like this lip style is very well suited for him. And I'll go over it a couple times to deepen that color. And of course, I want to add more sparkles and some lip gloss. And I added a little bit of blush. For the eyebrows, I didn't need to do much with them. I bleached my eyebrows so they are the perfect color for him. This eyebrow pencil is the perfect color as well for my own eyebrows. I use this just to raise them up a bit. And that is it. We are pretty much done. Let's put on the lenses. Thank you all very much for watching. Please go ahead and hit the like, comment down below, and subscribe as well. And now here we go for the finished look.